Now I'm in Botero Park. This part of Medellin is popular for the statues which were inaugurated by Botero. He was known for his kind of suspect statues. You will see in a minute. Most of them have like a vulgar bent to them. Some of them have been disfigured. Most of them, in my opinion, do not qualify as that. I guess they started putting up their decorations. That's a huge tree. They take across the street is a another densely populated part of El Centro. Yep, this is one of the most popular ones. Look at the size of that beer. They have loads of police down here, but you still gotta be careful. They have loads of little kids out here. I don't know what they're doing. She just told me no cameras. Well, I'm back in the Botero Park area with the statue. If you go the other way, like towards that end, there are a lot of unsavory activities like I think prostitution and people just hanging around. Not a good look. And they're all little kids. What a difference from the last time I came here. There are more people here, but the demographics really changed. But Colombia is trying to clean up its act with regards to the sex tourism trade. They are focusing on just tourism now. You can see police everywhere. Everywhere you look, there are policemen. There's a more statue on the other side. Some of them, in my opinion, not worth looking at, but there's the one of the horse. And there's a fountain. That's obvious what that is. These are more decent looking ones right here. Maybe that's Churchill. And then well, this brings an end to the video for Botero Park. Oh, there are a lot of people. Look forward to the day when there'll be no more suffering and inequalities. Look at that poor man. Bringing into the video for Botero Park. If you like the video, you can go on and like the video, subscribe to the channel, and you can leave a comment. Over and out. You can ride a bicycle too. People just selling whatever they can. Well, that's it for Botero Park.